Bourbon and Guns. We're still doing these little mini matchups to see who can beat the Colonel. The E.H. Taylor Small Batch 100 Proof. Today's challenger, a very, very worthy opponent, Knob Creek 12. Oh my. A great bourbon, but it hasn't always done so well in blind. So let's see how they match up. They're both 100 proof, so I feel like that's a fairly even matchup, okay? Very similar proofs. So let's try them out here. Number one. Oh, very, very, very sweet honey caramel. A little bit of cinnamon. That one has got a little nice spicy finish, but very sweet from beginning to end with just a very light rye spice, bacon spice at the end. That one's pretty good. Which we both know we all know these are both quality bourbons. Please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Number two. Now this one has more of the honey and the graham cracker type of note. But it smells good. Wow. Wow, that one is, what a mouthfeel. That one is just nice viscosity, creamy, golden smooth. Got the butterscotch notes. That one's pretty doggone good. Let's go through them one more time. But I'm really liking this number two. Number one. It is awesome with nice spicy finish. Number two. Yeah, guys, both wonderful, but I'm giving it to number two. It's just honey creamy through and through. What a nice mouthfeel. Number two, let y'all see first. That is Knob Creek 12. How about that? It hasn't always fared well in blinds, but it did today. So Knob Creek 12. Bourbon tastes like a warm summer day.